Hey guys, I'm at the beach. Yes. If you remember 24th night, I was actually in this same beach, and guess what? I don't know why. I love this beach. I love beach. Like, I love going to the beach. So now I'm at the beach, so you guys can, help me. Just join me in seeing the views. And to see how beautiful this place is. Some people are jealous of me anyways, but no. Actually, like, seriously, I want to wear it. Don't even start. So, last time I came to the beach, I told you guys that this is a quick one, okay? I'll find my selfie stick where I kept it. So these days, talking will be easy somehow. For people that say I don't look at the lens, because I don't even know when I look at this place, because I'm making this video with my phone and I'm using the front camera, so I'm seeing myself. That's why I always look at myself instead of the lens. But forgive me, I will try. So guys, the last time I came to this beach, I told you guys that I saw some people, like, hey God, love is good though. Who said love is not good? Who said love is not sweet? Please help me slap that person. But even love with someone, love with like self-love, okay, whichever one, but as long as love is involved. Okay guys, what I was saying before, my memory was full, so I have to delete some stuff. So whether self-love, whether in love with someone, whichever one you find yourself, love is a beautiful thing. Please love yourself, okay? Love yourself. Make sure you love yourself well. So the last time I came, I told you guys that I saw people sleeping in the beach. I saw people playing music, like having fun. They were playing music, relaxing in the beach, and wow, it was so amazing. I will take you guys around the beach, just small, gradually, so that we will do the Amebo together. So today, sorry, I'm looking at some people, laughing and falling on each other. It's sweet. So today is Amebo vlog, okay? So I'll be passing around people, and I'll be showing you guys. When I pass, I will do the camera like this. For people that say that I'm not looking at the lens, don't bother about the lens today. Don't bother about the lens today. Just focus on the things I'm going to show you today in the beach. So let's get right into it. If I change my mind. You guys can see those love birds behind me, right? Yes. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking. You see, they are googling. That's what I'm talking about. So let's keep moving, so we can find other ones. Let's keep moving. Those ones there, they are families. I don't know if you guys can see them. Yeah. Or friends, family or friends, I don't know. They're enjoying themselves. I came to the beach only to do Amebo. Hey, this thing that has come for me. I hope I will travel. I hope I will jump and pass. Let me look where before I fall down where I'm doing my Amebo. So it's not yet late. You guys should just hold on, because with time people will start coming. I just have little people here, and with time they will start to come, and when they start to come, I'll show you people. People are staring at me. See, there's ones here. don't want somebody to beat me. I don't want to be beaten. That's why you see them there. Yeah, I'll show them after I pass. I have to show them after I pass because I don't want somebody to beat me. So moving down, moving down, and let me check down there. Don't worry, even if no other people are here, I've not, the lovebirds, they have not come because there is still time. I see people sleep in this beach till daybreak and they play music. Okay, what I see now are families. The lovebirds.